everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I want to share with you my entire sneaker collection. So until then, just wait. If this is your first time ever seeing me, then hello, my name is Kenzie. I'm so happy to have you. I make a lot of videos about luxury handbags, luxury fashion, travel, jewelry, but mostly handbags. I love those a lot. Today we're doing shoes. But if any of that sounds fun to you, if you like the idea, then I would ask you consider clicking the subscribe button and give this video a like and ding the little bell down there so you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, without any further ado, let's get on into the video. My sneaker collection. It's not massive by any means. Like, I know a lot of people, like Laura DIY has like a massive sneaker collection, but I do have 5 pairs of sneakers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 pairs of sneakers that I really love so much, and I wanted to share them with you, let you know where I got them from, try them all on for you so you can see what they look like, and just kind of share my thoughts about them, sizing, if they're men's or women's, all the good stuff. So let's just go ahead and get started. The first real pair of sneakers that I bought on my own as an adult, that wasn't like ones that my mom bought me when I was a kid or something for PE in school, are these. These were the first sneakers that I ever bought myself, and these are Nike Air Force Ones, and these are by a brand called Drip Creations. All they do is they do take Nike Air Force Ones, white ones, and then the girl paints on them. So these are the ones that I got. They're very cute. They're like flowers. They're quite dirty because I've worn these a lot. And I got these probably 2.5, 3 years ago when Drip Creations was like everywhere. I know that they're still in business. I'm not sure if they're as popular as they used to be, but back in like 2020, 2021, these guys were everywhere. They were so popular. I really like them as well. I mean, I understand why they were popular. So they're very cute. These are a women's Nike shoe, like a Air Force One, I believe. Yeah, these are women's. So I got a US size 8 in these. I am a size 8 in Nike Air Forces. I wore these like crazy during the summertime of like 2020, 2021. So I haven't worn these in a little while since, you know, it's been a little while since I've worn them, but I still really like these. They are so freaking comfortable. I took these to Italy with me as well, and they've held up so well. Like, I've worn these to death. The paint hasn't come off on these. Yeah, they're really dirty, but they're very nice. So those ones held me over for quite some time, and I didn't get any more sneakers for a while actually. But I actually saw these next ones on TikTok, and I don't know what it was. It was like love at first sight. I had to have these, and I went out and bought them. It's these ones. You've seen these. These are my Tory Burch sneakers. These are the Good Luck trainer or sneaker in the color biscotti, and as you can see, it's like this beautiful nudie color. It's got like this kind of beige, light brown, cream. So yeah, they're very pretty sneakers, and they're a nice nude. And these ones, again, I've been wearing these like crazy. I wear these when I want something quick just to throw on, because these ones I don't have to think about when I put my foot into. Like, they're ones that you can just slip on, slip off. They're the ones that I usually wear whenever I'm just going to the store or when I'm going to mail something to UPS. But these are also very great. They're super comfortable. I have worn these for like long periods of time, and they've never become uncomfortable. I have an unboxing and a review on these sneakers. If you haven't seen either of those, I will have them linked in the eye up here or down below, so you can go watch the unboxing or their full review. All in all, I really do like these a lot. These are, again, a women's shoe, and these run super small, so I had to get a women's size 9. I had to get a 9, but they have also held up very well. I do not baby these sneakers at all. I wear these out in the rain. I wear the next sneaker that I got. You guys have seen over and over again. It's like that TikTok.
Y'all gonna be sick of me. Prepare right now to be sick of me.
The next pair of sneakers that I got were absolutely an impulse purchase, but I did buy them anyways, and they are my Celine sneakers. You've seen these so much. These are probably one of my most worn pairs of sneakers. I know I said that I wore the Tory Burch ones all the time. I do, but I really wear these a lot too. I don't normally wear these to like Target or Kroger, but I could. I mean, they're really understated. But I normally wear these when I know that I'm going to the mall or when I'm going to, I wore these every single day in New York. I wore one other pair of shoes and they were sandals for one day in New York and I regretted it so much. I wore these every single day in New York. They were just amazing. Very easy to walk in for like 8-hour plus days. Here's what my Celine sneakers look like. They do have laces up here and then they have this strap that goes over top and it says Celine. It has a little hole right there. So it just goes inside the hole and it looks like that. I will say these ones are a little bit hard to get into just because there's a lot of steps. Like you have to put your foot in, you have to tie the laces, you have to put this little thing into the hole and then do that. It's just kind of a lot of work to get into. But I did get these in a size 38 European, a women's shoe. These are, I believe, the equivalent of like a size 8, 8.5 maybe. I want to say it's a size 8. These are great. These have a little bit of wear and tear to them because I wear them so often. Like the insides are like stained with my fake tan. I've got some like coffee drops, some coffee spillage on them. I could clean them up. These ones right here are my most expensive pairs of sneakers. These ones are I think 800 and something. So with taxes, they were like 900 and something. It was insane. Yeah, these are my most expensive sneakers and these are high top sneakers, as you can tell. Compared to all the other ones that I've showed you, these are high top sneakers. They say Celine on the back. So it says Celine. Right there, it's, what is that, debossed? Where it comes out, embossed is where it goes in, so it's debossed. Next up are my last two pairs of shoes, and these are probably my two favorite pairs of sneakers that I have. Not only because they're just new, I just really love these sneakers, and I'm just so happy that I have them. I'm so happy that I have them. So this pair and the next pair that I'm gonna show you, are my absolute favorite sneakers of all time. I genuinely don't think any sneaker will ever top my last pair of sneakers that I'm gonna show you. But these ones are like my second favorite. These are the New Balance X Kith, like K-I-T-H, X Kith sneakers. And these were limited edition. They are the 1300s in the shade White Pepper. I actually showed these in a vlog, in my last vlog. I did an unboxing of them. So if you haven't seen that last vlog, I'll have it also linked in the description for you. They are just this insanely beautiful, kind of like dark nude. It still is nude, but they are a little darker than my Tory Burch sneakers. Those ones are like more on the lighter side. These ones are a bit darker, remind me a bit more of like the fall time. The little New Balance logo, it says Kith on the inside, and then it has Kith on the back. They're the best. Now these are men's shoes. These are men's sneakers. And the last two that I'm gonna show you, this one and the last one, are men's sneakers. So I got these in a size 7 men's, and I wanna say that they're like a size 8.5 women's. So they are the tiniest bit big, but it doesn't bother me, like I don't care. I love the shoelaces as well. They're just like really thick and good quality. I haven't had any issues with them coming undone. The Celine sneakers and the Tory Burch sneakers, those laces come undone all the time. And on the tongue it says Kith and New Balance. I got these from Goat because I was not aware that these were dropping whenever they did, so they sold out and I did not actually know about them until I saw them on Instagram, I saw them on other people, and I was just like, oh my god, what shoes are these? And they were on StockX and they were exorbitantly expensive, and then they were also on Goat, and I got them from Goat. They were definitely priced higher than what they normally were if I would have got them, you know, on the actual website, like when they were available. I think it was worth spending the little bit extra to get these because these are collectibles. I don't think they are available anymore, and I really just love them. Okay, now it's time for my favorite pair of sneakers that I've ever seen, that I own. I love these sneakers so much. I'm scared to wear them outside because I don't want to get them dirty. And these can go on the table because they have never left this house, and I barely have taken them out of the box, so they're super freaking clean. These are my off-white sneakers. These are the out of office off-white sneakers. The inside is blue. The bottom is purple. And I just cannot get over how stunning these are. Are you absolutely joking? Are you kidding me? These are my favorite sneaker of all time. I do not think that any other sneaker will top this ever, 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 ever. It's just so great. And even on the little arrow, it has off-white and it has the little off-white face. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see that. And even the shoelaces say shoelaces. Like, it's just so great. The little face, and it says off. I am just so obsessed with these now. These little babies have not made their debut outside yet because I am scared of getting them dirty, because here in Tennessee, it rains
every single day.
And I'm so mad about it. I just wanted to stop. And these were in collaboration with Virgil Abloh. These came out a long time ago, like back in 2013, but they're still available and they're like really popular right now. And then it has like this tag that I don't know what I'm gonna do with yet. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep this on the shoe while I wear it or if I should take it off. I don't know what to do. These are also a men's sneaker and I got them in a size 40, which I do believe is a men's size 7. But yeah, those are all my sneakers. I'm gonna go ahead and do some B-roll and try all of these on for you so that in each clip, like when I show off each sneaker, you'll be able to see what they look like on. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that now. I really hope that you enjoyed this video of my sneaker collection. Let me know in the comments if you have a collection of sneakers. Let me know if you have any sneakers or what your favorite brand of sneaker is. Just leave me a comment telling me anything because I want to know that. I'm very nosy. But again, you guys, I really hope that you did enjoy this video. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to, and be sure to ding the little bell down there so that you're notified every time I upload. And you guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!